So these are actually some of my favorite days of the year because educators from across the globe get to come in and see the work that is done here at the Eco Hub, and over the 2 days to see both of our hubs.
It's crazy. I like it how free the students are and they still have a concept. This is really what I want my students to be.
The space is beautiful.
It's like a beehive.
Yeah.
Buzzing.
They really challenge their creativity, their responsibilities, and freedom to do whatever they want, do what they truly want.
I think the biggest benefit of coming to Inspire is actually to see how innovation looks in practice and what is possible outside of the framework of traditional education.
We are from the American School of Barcelona, and we were thinking about how we could move our educational program more towards project-based or passion-based learning, and so we sort of set out to look for examples of places that were doing this kind of work.
I would say the most impactful thing that I'm taking away from this workshop is visiting the schools. The Learning Hub here, the urban and the eco, are amazing, and it's clear that they were built to be that type of learning. But the public school that we got to visit has a already really strong structured curriculum, and seeing that they could actually implement some of the things that you're doing here in a small or even a larger scale felt most inspirational, just due to the educational system we're currently in.
Actually, what we did in Acesco, we moved from workshops where everything was led by the teacher, where he defined what challenges they had to do, to projects where the student decides what he wants to do. But most importantly, there is a methodology on how the student will do that.
Something I saw in Acesco and then here is the relationship between student and learner is incredibly close and warm. It's respectful both ways.
So the inspiration behind Inspire is to say, let's get together and we can share our story, we can hear your story, and we can hopefully give you insight into how do you bring the different threads together in order to create the change that you're after. And that's what we want to do, inspire you.